LibreCAD review. Is this platform or CAD program worth it? Let's get started. So LibreCAD is a free open source 2D CAD application based on QD, offering a familiar AutoCAD-like interface. It supports drawing tools, layers, DXF file handling, and runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's ideal for drafting floor plans, schematics, or mechanical layouts without a cost. So let's talk about their pros. So it offers a completely free and open source with strong community support. They also have a lightweight and fast, which opens quickly. They also have a familiar environment, a powerful 2D tool, and an active community and multi-subgroup and lingual support for forums, docs, and translations. Although it has some cons, it's strictly 2D, so there's no 3D modeling. They also have limited file compatibility. They have a basic UI and updated look, and they have a performance issues with complexity. So, in conclusion, it's a great choice if you're looking for a free, reliable, and straightforward 2D CAD tool, but it's not suitable if you need 3D modeling, advanced CAD automation, and DWG compatibility.